Okay, so students, now we do question number, we are doing chapter 2 of physics. Okay, chapter 2 physics, class 12th. Yes, so now we'll solve question number 15 from the textbook, page number 55. Okay, so now we'll read the question. Keep textbook in front of you so that question is in front of you. Question number 15. So we start. The speed of water is 2 meter per second through a pipe of internal diameter 10 centimeter. So now what should be the internal diameter of nozzle of the pipe if the speed of water at nozzle is 4 meter per second? Okay, so now when the water is flowing through a pipe, so the speed is 2 meter per second. So that what we will consider as, see now the data which is given. So you have initial speed when the water is flowing in the pipe. Okay, initial speed is given, we'll take V1 which is 2 meter per second, and through a pipe of internal diameter, first we'll take the speed. In the question you can see initial speed is 2 meter per second, and see in the second part of the question what should be the internal diameter of the nozzle of the pipe. So you need to find out the diameter of the nozzle of the pipe. If the speed of the pipe water at nozzle, so see अभी कैसा रहता है, water is flowing through a pipe, right, वाटर फ्लो हो रहा है. तो इधर जब भी स्पीड है 2 और जब भी नोजल, ये शायद उसका नोजल से जब भी जा रहा है, so that is 4 meter per second. So that we consider as final speed. As V2 we will take, which is 4 meter per second. Now they have given you the internal diameter of the input, right? So internal diameter we can take D1 which is 10 centimeter. Now see these are in meter, so this centimeter also you have to convert in meter. मीटर करने के लिए क्या करना है, 10 डिवाइड बाय 100, राइट. So this 0 will cut, this 10 will go up and it will become 10 raised to minus 1 meter. And what we need to find out is outer diameter of nozzle. So that we need to find out. So that we can take as D2, outer diameter that we need to find out. So now here what formula we will use? Equation of continuity, right? What is equation of continuity? We have done equation of continuity क्या है? A1 V1 is equal to A2 V2, right? Now see A is what? Area, right? Abhi now what area we will take? Pi R1 square V1, and for A2 you will take pi R2 square V2. Now pi gets cancelled on both sides. R1 we are given diameter, तो diameter से हमको radius कैसा मिलेगा? You will take D1 by 2 whole square, right? Here also you will take D2 by 2 whole square V2. Now this will become D1 square by 2 to the 4 V1. This side will become D2 square by 4 V2. 4 cancel. What we need to find out is D2 हमें ढूंढना है ना. So V2 will come this side. D1 square V1 by V2 is D2 square, right? So D2 how you will get? d2 square d1 square v1 by v2. हमें d2 चाहिए तो we will take square root of this, right? What is our d1? d1 is d1 is 10 raised to minus 1c. So d1 के जगह में 10 raised to minus 1 whole square into v1. What is your v1 in the question? 2 meter per second, and v2 is 4 meter per second, right? Okay, so when we solve this, this comes 10 raised to minus 2. This will cancel, 2 ones are 2 twos are, so this is by 2. So if I solve this, see 10 raised to minus 2. Now see here I can take 1 by 2, and from this minus 2 I know 1 will come out. 1 in the sense minus 2 है, so from that 10 raised to minus 1 I can take out of the square root, right? So into 10 raised to minus 1, 1 by 2 क्या हो जाएगा? 0.5, right? So into 10 raised to minus 1. So you can find out square root of 0.5. Yes. So when you find out square root from, you can find from the log table. So this comes to 7.071 into 10 raised to minus. See, when you solve from square root, it will become 7.071 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Okay, so that means if I don't want this minus 2, I can write this as 7.071 centimeter. See, at this step you can do one more thing. This square root जो है, see here, square root you have 0.5. Right, if I write 5 as 0.5 as 5 by 10, okay, and already you have 10 raised to minus 1. So now here I can write, see this part, if I multiply up also 10 and down also 10, I am not changing anything. So root 50, and here you have 2 tens, and here you already have outside 10 raised to minus 1. So from this 2 tens I can take 1 10 outside, right? So a1, when this goes up, so you can write root 50 into 10 raised to minus 1, and this will go up minus 1. So minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. So you can find out directly root 50 from log table. So which comes to 7.071 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. If I convert in centimeters, so I don't need this 10 raised to minus 2. Is it clear, children? Yes, it's an easy sum with just an equation of continuity. A1 V1 is equal to A2 V2. Only this much formula I have to remember. In place of area pi R1 square, A2 pi R2 square. R1 के जगह में डालो D1 by D2, R2 के जगह में D2 by 2. Right? Clear? Okay, so we stop this video. Fine.